Have you ever faced the dilemma of whether to keep a classic car original or customize it? You're not alone. This question is a hot topic in the restoration community. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. A classic car tells a story. It's not just about age, it's about iconic design and authenticity. For collectors, the original aspects matter most. Matching numbers and factory interiors boost a car's value. Keeping your car as close to its original state can be a smart investment, especially if resale potential is your goal. But what if you lean towards personal expression? Customizing your car lets you break the mold. You can change colors, swap engines, and add modern tech. It's all about reimagining what your classic can be. Many clients want unique builds that reflect their style and personality. These cars may not retain the same resale value, but offer significant emotional rewards. Before starting any project, clarify your aim. Do you want a museum piece or a head-turner? If you seek both, restomods might be your answer. These hybrids feature classic looks with modern improvements. They maintain vintage charm while fitting today's driving lifestyle. The key challenge is balancing value with vision. Original restorations may seem more lucrative, yet custom builds executed with care can also fetch high prices. Quality trumps all, skillfully done custom work can enhance value instead of diminishing it. Attention to detail is crucial in any restoration. Invest in quality parts and craftsmanship. This commitment differentiates professionals from those cutting corners. Remember, the restoration journey is about learning and expressing yourself. Enjoy each step, from understanding your car's history to imagining its future. Every effort is worthwhile when you hear that engine start. Whether going classic, custom, or a blend, approach your project with passion. That's the true value in car restoration.